Greetings for the day. I'm Soumya.
I'm Vaishnavi.
You are watching KPR BS Times. Welcome to today's business bulletin, where we bring you the latest updates. Let's begin with the top stories of the day. Business and economic headlines. Q2 growth estimate: India's economy is likely to have expanded by about 7.3% in the July-September quarter, driven by stronger rural demand and favorable side effect. Export diversification. India's seafood export rose 80% in the first 5 months of financial year 2026. Exported shifted focus from the US to the other countries like Vietnam, China, Russia. Politics and governance headlines. No bill introduction. The centre has stated it will not introduce any bill on Chhattisgarh administration in the upcoming winter season of Parliament. Proposal still under review. The Home Minister clarified that a proposal to simplify the law-making process for Chhattisgarh is still under consideration with no decision final made. Education and health headlines. Teacher protest. Thousands of primary school teachers are marching in the New Delhi to oppose the mandatory teacher eligible test requirement. Nursing reform consultation. The Health Minister, WHO and JPIGO held a 3-day workshop on nursing reform to improve training, governance and workforce distribution.
Culture and entertainment headline. Folk festival at Sundar Narse, a 3-day Spek Make folk and tribal art festival brought alive India's tribal tradition in New Delhi. Craft workshop glory. Over 140 artisans demonstrated and taught traditional crafts like Madhubani, Varli, Rohan and Bill painted throughout the day. Technology and digital headlines. Data protection rule implemented. India officially notified the digital personal data protection rule, putting the country's first comprehensive data privacy law into effect. AI governance guidelines released. The government published the Indian AI governance guidelines to promote safe, ethical and responsible use of artificial intelligence across sectors. Sports headlines. India vs South Africa test live. In the second test at Guwahati, India resumes batting after 3 conceding big first inning total with young openers at creases. Shooting glory for India. India shooters Abhinav Deshwal clinches goal in 25-meter pistol event at Deaf Olympics in Tokyo, adding to India's medal tally. Here ends today's news. Thank you for watching KPR BS Times.
Stay tuned, stay updated.